All right, let's get into these carrot cake blondies. I got some carrots that I'm grating by hand. You could do this in a food processor if you wanted to. It's up to you. The butter goes in room temperature and the sugar. You want to mix that together until it sort of creams together. You know what I mean. You could do this by hand or a hand mixer. It's up to you. Now the eggs should go in one at a time before you mix, but I ain't got time for all that. So I was lazy and threw it all in. I'm using a spoon and a bowl because I'm an OG, but a hand mixer works as well. Now for seasonings, fresh grated nutmeg is going in. Also a little cinnamon and some kosher salt to help bring out all the other flavors. Sometimes I might use star anise or cardamom or clove or allspice. Just depends on how I'm feeling, but today keep it pretty simple. All right, let's make sure we mix it all together because that cinnamon, it be tricky sometimes, you know what I mean? So we're gonna mix this thing up real good, and then as you can see, I'm adding in pure vanilla, not imitation, but pure vanilla. Get it when it's on sale. All right, give that a good mix, and then for our dry ingredients, our flour, AP all-purpose going in. I did not sift it. All right, what I did do was spray this pan down really well before I put this batter into this pan, and then the oven's at 350 degrees. Now, to make the Jack Daniel's cream cheese glaze, I'm starting with melted butter in my everyday skillet and some brown sugar, light or dark, whatever's on sale. All right, mix that really well because you want to make sure the butter and the brown sugar are super incorporated. Don't walk away from this because it's gonna burn and you're gonna be shamed, huh? At this point, I'm adding in a little Jack Daniel's, but you can add in whatever you want. All right, whatever floats your boat, rum, tequila, brandy, cognac, just throw it in and give that a good mix. And then I'm adding in my cream cheese that will not come off this damn spoon. But that's all right. Mix it up real good. You know how cream cheese do you. It be sometimey, all right? Just unstable in all its ways. Okay, so as you can see, I sprayed this real well. It comes out beautifully. So my cutting technique is half and half. So I cut it down the middle. And then as you can see, I then position my knife in the middle again, and then the middle, and then the middle. So I get 8 pretty even slices that way, but cut it however the spirit leads you, okay? Look at that bounce back. All right, so then I'm just gonna pour over some of that glaze. So that's that Jack Daniel's cream cheese glaze. So good. All right, a little spoonful of that, and then all you gotta do is bow your head and say, wait, look at that. Look how it, ooh, is that masa? Ooh wee. Bow your head and say grace. Like, comment, share for more amazing food videos just like this. I love you.